views expressed in these videos are true to our best belief based on the accumulated knowledge and experience of many years in the cleaning, restoration and insurance repair industry. The Restoration Academy UK Limited does not offer legal or medical advice and cannot confirm that the presence of fungal growth or mould in a building is linked to the ill health of any of its occupants. It is not the purpose of these videos to scaremonger or cause alarm. It is to provide factual information and to discuss some of the common misconceptions and controversies that exist on this subject. The Restoration Academy UK have made the conscious decision not to take on sponsors for this series. However, to provide these videos for free, we have left the choice of what adverts you may or may not see up to the social media platforms themselves. Any support or endorsement of any advertisements should not be inferred. This series is intended to impart only foundational information on a consumer level. Businesses left wanting more information should invest in proper training and certification to meet their duties under health and safety law and regulations. Engaging with this content alone does not constitute the training required to claim professional competency.